Hey everybody, it's Steve Gardner here with eXp Realty doing my weekly training Kvcore tip thing that I do. So let's get into it. I hope you find this useful. Okay, I'm gonna log into the backside of Kvcore right here. And today's tip it's pretty interesting that folks, you may not even realize this, but I'm going to go to, let's do this. I'm going to go to my dashboard and show you what you can do with a contact. And you may not even know that it's here, but I wanted to show everybody. This is pretty fun. Okay, so here's my dashboard. Okay, these are all folks that have logged in looking at houses and that sort of thing. So what you can do is you can pick a contact. Let's do one. All right, into here. Click on her. Okay, and a lot of people don't know what over here. You can send this contact a bomb video, say hello. You can go over here, send them a market report. Let's say they were looking at houses in Port Orange. You can send them a market report that goes every 7 days, which is a great touch. Suggest you do that. Search alerts. I have mine set up. It depends. If whatever they're looking at, it automatically set up search alerts. But you can also add another one. So you've got multiple. So I've got one, but if you wanted to set up another one, you could. Okay. But what I want to talk about today is over here on more actions. This is kind of fun. You can actually, okay, these are all the different things. You can transfer this to another agent. You can sync this with your Google contacts. So let's say you have a contact that came in, but you want to add them to your Google contacts. If you have Google hooked up, you just click on this and they will sync. Move this over out of the way here. And let's see here. If I'm going to go a little smaller on the screen so you can see. All right, it's gotten smaller, but let's see, control. See if I can get this up here. Negative. See if I can do this even smaller. Down here under communications, okay. Let me scan down when I'm recording right here. Down here under communications, you can find people's information on Facebook, on Google, LinkedIn, Spokeo. Spokeo is a great service. I pay for it. It will give people, if you don't have a phone number, you can find out their phone number all with one click. So I'm going to see if this is on, if Facebook pops up here. There you go. Information about from Facebook. Okay. You can go to Google as well and do that. So I wanted to let you guys see that these options are here for you as far as researching a particular contact. You can find them on LinkedIn, Google, and it will do a search automatically. Okay, so that's the big tip for the day. I just wanted to show you that. It's very powerful, especially if you're trying to get a phone number on somebody. Let's say if you're a seller lead or something like that, and you need a phone number, and they filled out a form, you can reach out to them and say, hey, are you interested in buying or selling? Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you found all of this useful. Until next time, take care. Bye.